Towns in Switzerland and their best hotels. 1. Spiez. Escape the city and find peace in the heart of Switzerland at Spiez. 12,000 people. This small town on the shores of Lake Thun offers a peaceful getaway with its stay at the La Belle Vue Boutique Hotel and Café, with its stunning views and modern amenities. Spiez is popularly known for its medieval castle dating back to the 13th century, spectacular vineyards, and picturesque mountains surrounding it. It's worth visiting year-round for winter sports, photography, swimming, and cruising. 2. Guests enjoy spectacular views of the surrounding picturesque mountains, including the peaks of Jungfrau. The car-free town has a few streets with colorful houses covered in ice in winter and beautiful flowers in spring and fall. Experience the charm of a car-free mountain village in Mürren. This unique town in the Alps overlooks the Lauterbrunnen Valley and offers spectacular views of the surrounding mountains. Stay at the Eiger Mürren Swiss Quality Hotel and enjoy its indoor pool, fitness center, and breathtaking views. 3. Wengen. Wengen is one of the most beautiful villages in the Jungfrau region and a top destination for those looking to see the mountains in Switzerland. Perched above the Lauterbrunnen Valley, Wengen provides a serene escape for nature lovers with miles of scenic hiking trails and endless opportunities for winter sports. It is car-free, allowing visitors to enjoy all its beauty. Guests can stroll to St. Bernard Anglican Church to explore the beauty of the countryside. Perched above the Lauterbrunnen Valley, Wengen is a serene escape for nature lovers. Explore miles of scenic hiking trails and enjoy the beauty of the countryside. Stay at the Alpine Hotel Wengen and take advantage of its indoor pool, restaurant, and free Wi-Fi. 4. Stein. Stein am Rhein is one of the most beautiful small towns in Switzerland and one of the most preserved medieval towns in Europe. It is known for all its preserved, exquisitely painted antique buildings with tastefully decorated windows, including half-timber houses and beautiful countryside. Guests can explore the old houses at the City Hall Square with unique architecture and colorful murals. They can stroll along the Rhine riverbank and explore the Hohenklingen Castle and St. George Abbey. Step back in time in Stein am Rhein, one of the most preserved medieval towns in Europe. Explore the beautifully painted antique buildings and stroll along the Rhine riverbank. Stay at Hotel Rheinfels and enjoy snorkeling, free Wi-Fi, and a restaurant. Nestled between two beautiful lakes, Interlaken offers stunning views and exciting activities year-round. Hike, kayak, bungee jump, or simply enjoy the panoramic glacier views. Stay at Boutique Hotel Bellevue and relax in its bar lounge or take advantage of the free Wi-Fi. 5. Gruyeres is a beautiful medieval town at the foot of Pre-Alps in the canton of Fribourg. Explore the cobblestone streets and visit Gruyeres Castle. Discover the beauty of Gruyeres, a medieval town at the foot of the Pre-Alps. Stay at Le Saint-Georges and enjoy its restaurant, bar lounge, and free Wi-Fi. 6. Lauterbrunnen. Lauterbrunnen is a quintessential alpine town nestled between giant rocks and mountain peaks in the Swiss Alps. It is famous for its stunning natural beauty, evidenced by the pretty flowery meadows, magnificent waterfalls, and towering mountains. Immerse yourself in the stunning natural beauty of Lauterbrunnen. Explore the chalet-style houses and discover the magnificent waterfalls. Stay at Hotel Staubach and enjoy its free Wi-Fi, private parking, and skiing. 7. Morcote. Morcote is a picturesque small town on the shores of Lake Lugano in the Swiss canton of Ticino. It was voted the most beautiful town in Switzerland in 2016, and it's famous for magnificent arcades of old patrician homes, imposing buildings including Palazzo Pagliari, small alleys, stunning natural beauty, and valuable architectural monuments. Nature lovers can explore the beautiful Scherer Park with blossoming subtropical vegetation. At the same time, history buffs can stroll to the pilgrimage church of Santa Maria del Sasso, with a beautiful stone dome built in 1700. Experience the most beautiful town in Switzerland at Morcote. Explore the old patrician homes and stroll through the beautiful Scherer Park. Stay at Arbustora Charme Hotel and relax on its private beach. 8. Zermatt. Zermatt is one of Switzerland's hidden gems and a top destination for ski lovers. Discover the hidden gem of Zermatt, surrounded by the glorious Matterhorn. Enjoy skiing, award-winning restaurants, and breathtaking views. Stay at the Omnia and indulge in its outdoor pool, spa and wellness center, and room service. 9. Andermatt, a small, picturesque alpine town in Urseren Valley in the canton of Uri, Switzerland, surrounded by gorgeous alpines. Experience outdoor adventure in Andermatt, a picturesque alpine town. Enjoy winter hiking, snowshoeing, and cross-country skiing. Hiking, snowshoeing, cross-country skiing, stay at the Chetty Andermatt and relax in its spa and wellness center, outdoor pool, and fitness center. Escape the noise and connect with nature in these beautiful small towns in Switzerland. 10. Interlaken is a traditional resort town in Bernese Oberland, nestled between two beautiful lakes. Book your stay at one of their best hotels and experience the magic of Switzerland firsthand.